So this is my 2003 Acura RSX. So currently I'm working with a company right now that I ordered this wing from Amazon. The only issue is when I ordered the wing, I got an email saying that they sent me a certain color, or were sending me a certain color, that was the incorrect color. I ordered, with my car is, I'm pretty sure it's like YR534. It's like the Desert Silver Metallic. It's kind of like a tan. It's a nice color. It's got a nice little flake to it. But they told me they were sending me this silver color, which they did. So I sent them an email back before I got the package saying that this was the incorrect color. I got an email back from them saying that they were sending me the correct color wing, and they did not. So it's been about 4 days since I ordered it, so that email saying that I was getting the correct color wing. Now I've emailed them back trying to get the correct color wing, so I'll let everybody know what happens in the future. This is the outline of the actual wing that we made with the pencil, and then this is chalk that we put in the screw holes.
Yeah.
That we tapped out to try to see where each hole should be. So you can see like the ring around it.
Good idea.
And then the chalk. Yeah, I think it will work.
Yeah.
See, chalk will be had on the inside, so hopefully that works.
That.
Not the same distance. Nope, totally different bed. So I'm now running to Pep Boys to get some body filler like putty for my car, because originally we were trying to drill the holes and use chalk and do it that way, but it's just not working out. So we're going to drill out the holes where, if you watch any other videos like this, is where the normal S-type wing, the holes are that are already like indented into the trunk. We're going to these two indents were here, but I didn't think that the wing would actually work. I thought this was just for the S-type wing, but now I know these holes are for any wing, or at least for this wing and the S-type wing, for the Acura RSX. And as you can see, this is some body putty or some Bondo that we put in, as you can see right there. And I'm gonna have to leave it for a day, and then I did buy a 2-ounce little bottle of pretty much like touch-up paint, and I have clear coat, so I'm gonna go over that. And I might go over the screws too, just to be safe. So this is the wing on the Acura. Right now, just cleaning it up, picking up all of the stuff that we used to put the wing onto the car. Originally, you'll probably see in the beginning of the video, we used chalk and actually put 2 holes, one where you can't see and the other one you can see, on the car. I'm just cleaning up the car, doing some touch-up, as you can see here, and then gonna clear coat that. Tomorrow I do have to wash the car. It is disgustingly gross because I've been away for a week, but this video will be up soon, and I hope that it does help you with installing this type of wing or the S-type wing on your Acura RSX. And if I had to rate the difficulty of this install, it really wasn't that difficult. After you get those holes, the 2 holes that are under here, after you line them up, If we would have known that from the beginning, I would say that you can easily bang this out in an hour, maybe even less if you're a little bit more experienced, but definitely very easy, and I do recommend having a second person with you when you're screwing the wing on.